Hi everyone, we hope you're having a good day. Layla's gonna open her socks. Nice. Oh, you got two, but you only get one. Okay. Okay, Layla's gonna sit right here and open her socks. Her face. You wouldn't believe that she just got out of the tub and got dressed because she's a disaster.
Guys, remember buying my socks?
Yeah.
I saw those white socks.
Oh, you said that Layla was next? Yeah. Do you love opening socks?
Yeah.
Is it fun? Do you wish that you could open socks every day?
Yeah.
Note to self. Note to self. Okay, later. Good girl. That was fast. Here, do you want me to help you? Pull this down. There you go. Good job. You want to put them on? Yeah? Okay. Do you like them? What do you think? Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Little foxes or something, snow fox. That cute? Do you see his nose? Where's the fox's nose? Good job. Where's the fox's ears? Where are his ears? Ears right here. Where's his eyes? Good girl. Where are your eyes? Good job. Okay, let's go show Dad. Want to show those to Daddy? Okay, come in. Ooh. Look, Daddy.
Oh, those are socks? Holy cannoli.
Let's see your dancing.
Let's see you dancing in your new socks.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I've been loving the sock thing. My kids have really seemed to like it. I didn't know for sure what they would think about socks because like, hi, candy is better for kids. I mean, 2 kids, not 4 kids. Socks are definitely better for kids. But they have loved it. They've been more excited, I think, than they would have been over candy. So the only downfall is that they don't get to open socks every day. So I think if I do it again next year, that I will for sure figure out a way to do socks for everyone every day. Maybe even if it's just for like the 12 days of Christmas. I don't know, but I have really liked it. I went this morning and got my nails done. There we go. There they are. I did that one to look like a sweater and then I did the rest matte. I had a similar look last month and I really liked it. I found a girl who does nails here in Idaho where we live now. I normally travel to Utah to get my nails done because my mom does nails and she's so good. But it's just been so busy and crazy. So I'm grateful to have found someone that I really like. And so I'll just go to her when I can't get into my mom. And this time of year is crazy. I don't think that we'll get back to Utah till Christmas, and I of course don't want my mom doing my nails on Christmas. So, but fun thing is my mom is actually almost here because the other day we didn't get around to doing her hair. We got Markel and Jessica's done, but we didn't get my mom's hair done, which was such a bummer. So we're doing it today, and then she's staying for Braylee's cheer performance tonight, and we're gonna do a little shopping. So she should be here anytime. So I'm just going to quickly clean my house. It just really needs to be picked up mostly. One other thing I was going to mention, I know that I've mentioned emojis, these little like air freshener things, so much, but they make such a great Christmas gift. I just love these so much. I'm just getting ready to change mine, so I thought I would show you. And also, I love candles. I talk about candles all the time, but now when I light my candles, Layla tries desperately to get to them to blow them out. So now I'm kind of thinking like, probably shouldn't burn candles because I don't want her climbing up on the counter to blow them out, and I don't want her to get hurt or spill the wax on her. So another great reason to just have emoji. And these are the ones that you plug in and they actually run air and blow it out. You can get some for your car that are mini, and actually I think they're great for bedrooms or small spaces. They don't blow the air, so they just release the scent, but they're not actually blowing it. That's why it's kind of better for smaller spaces, because these are intense. Like, they work so well. So I have my favorite Christmas scents here, which would be really fun to give for Christmas time because I like these smells after Christmas too. Christmas tree is my absolute favorite. I love it so much. And these are safe to use right next to your Christmas tree. So if you're like me and have an artificial Christmas tree, you can set this right next to it. You just take this off I accidentally pushed the button. So you just take this off, and then you can see the little fan is running inside. And this is just tree bark inside, so it's all natural. You don't have to worry. Even if your kids like touched the scent inside, it's not going to hurt them. This is the holly berry. It smells so good. So you just slide it right in there. Like I said, this is just like the tree bark. And you do the same thing with the car fresheners. You just put it down inside and then put the top on. I'm gonna push it 2 times because I want it to turn on and off. And that's it. Come in. Hi. I was just talking about my Moji air fresheners. My mom was actually the one that bought me my first one for my birthday, and I loved it so much. So anyways, there's always a link down in my description box if you want to give them a try, or if you're trying to think of a Christmas present idea for someone. These are so great. We're gonna get Braylee ready for her cheer performance tonight.
I can't move my eyes.
You look pretty. Okay, Dad's gonna run you.
Lip sense?
I gave it to you.
What are you doing?
What do you want? What snack do you want tonight?
Baby.
Pickles. 2 thumbs up. Yeah. We're cleaning the kitchen and Layla was saying pee-pee. That's for pickles, in case you were wondering. So I'm going to put some little pickles on this plate and she can eat them while I finish cleaning the kitchen. Everyone else is in bed and we're about to go to bed too.
Wow.
Are you ready for some pickles?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I'll give you 5 pickles, sister. You can have more if you would like. Okay, let's go sit over here. Come on. We obviously made it home from Braylee's cheer performance. Today was such a great day, and I'm beyond proud of Braylee. She's worked so hard, and she cares so much. And I'm just really proud of how well she did. I was very impressed, and their whole team looked really good. They have a competition this weekend, and so I just think it made them really excited. But I'm so proud of her. Anyways, we're gonna eat some pickles and go to bed.
Papa.
Pickle.
Papa.
That's pretty good. Sounds a little bit like puppy. But,
Kiki.
but now I know that you're saying pickle.
Kiki.
Show us your teeth. Show your teeth. It's my favorite thing she's been doing lately. I make her do it every night, and sometimes like if she's crying and fussy and then we're finally like laying down or she gets to eat, she'll do that so that I'll laugh. It's so funny. Anyways, okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you hopefully tomorrow. I know that I've been slacking a few days here and there with Vlogmas. I'm trying my hardest. I love doing it, but sometimes it just kicks my trash. There have been a couple days, but I'm really trying hard. Bye.